Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to drive a BMW X7 automatic. First, ensure your foot is firmly on the brake pedal before pressing the start/stop button to ignite the engine. To select your desired direction, simply use the gear selector to shift into park, reverse, neutral, or drive. Remember to always engage the electronic parking brake when you are stationary, especially on inclines, to keep your vehicle secure. For added convenience, you can even remote start your X7 using the key fob or the BMW connected app. Your BMW X7 offers various driving modes to suit your preferences. Comfort mode provides a smooth, relaxed ride with softer steering and suspension. For a more dynamic feel, switch to Sport mode, which sharpens throttle response and stiffens the suspension for better handling. If fuel efficiency is your priority, Eco Pro mode optimizes settings to reduce consumption by up to 20%. You can easily control these, along with navigation and media, using the intuitive iDrive controller. Enhance your driving experience with advanced features. Use the paddle shifters behind the steering wheel to manually shift gears, offering more control and a sportier feel. Adaptive Cruise Control automatically adjusts your speed to maintain a safe following distance from the car in front, even in stop-and-go traffic. Parking Assistant Plus can guide your X7 into parallel or perpendicular spaces, making parking effortless. For long highway stretches, the Highway Assistant allows for hands-free driving at speeds up to 85 miles per hour. Keeping your BMW X7 in top condition is crucial. Regularly check your engine oil level through the iDrive system, ensuring it's within the recommended range. The tire pressure monitoring system will alert you to low tire pressure, which is vital for safety and fuel efficiency. Also, check the description for a link to those handy meal prep containers and other great deals. Adhering to the manufacturer's recommended service schedule, including oil changes every 10,000 miles or 12 months, will help maintain your vehicle's performance and longevity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.